Hello guys, my name is Arash. I'll be an instructor for this course. I have been a developer for almost 5 years, and I want to admit something. I love Node.js as it is my main tool to develop any web application. And you know what? If you want to develop anything in Node.js, it will be really quick. Trust me on this. And I just want to let you guys know that in this course, we will be learning step-by-step approach where I'm going to be coding, and then I will explain to you guys what is going on. If this is your first time programming, don't sweat it, because if you're really passionate about something, then eventually you're going to figure it out. And never ever give up, alright? So in every section, there will be a source code. You guys can go ahead and download it to compare with your code. And lastly, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me at arashyahya@gmail.com. Alright, this is how you spell my email, arashyahya@gmail.com. Alright, and one last piece of advice: never ever give up. If you're facing an obstacle or any frustrating situation, remember, don't give up. Eventually you will find a solution. Alright, I'll see you guys in my course later on.